Today, I'll show you how to verify your identity and address on Google AdSense. AdSense verification is required before you can receive payments. Google may ask you to verify your identity first, and then verify your payment address with a PIN. First, open Google AdSense and log into your account. From the left menu, click Payments. Then open Verification Check. If Google asks for identity verification, follow the instructions on the screen. You may need to upload a government-issued ID, such as a passport, national ID card, or driver's license. Make sure the name on your document matches the name in your AdSense payments profile. Also, make sure the photo is clear, not blurry, not cropped, and shows the full document. After submitting your ID, wait for Google to review it. Google says if identity verification is required, your address PIN will not be sent until identity verification is completed. Once your earnings reach the verification threshold, Google sends a unique 6-digit PIN to your payment address by standard mail. Google says the PIN usually takes about 3 weeks to arrive for AdSense accounts. When the PIN arrives, log back in to AdSense. Go to Payments, then Verification Check. Enter the PIN exactly as it appears in the mail. Then click Submit. Be careful when entering the PIN. Google says if you enter it incorrectly 3 times, your account will stop showing ads. If the PIN does not arrive after 3 weeks, you can request a replacement PIN from the same verification page. Also, Google says you have 4 months from the date the PIN is generated to complete address verification, or ads may stop showing. And that's it. You now know how to verify your identity and address on Google AdSense. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.